Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Knotty Threads. So in today's video we'll learn how to work a basic arch design using some silver beads. For this I'm using my crochet hook number 10. Along with that I'm using 6 strands of silk thread. The right side of the saree is facing towards me and here I'm just trying to fix the knot in one corner. Once I have the knot fixed, I'm going to start working the chain base, for which I'm working 4 chains and then check where it reaches. Now working a single crochet. Again 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 single crochet. The baseline is extremely simple. Now the important point to remember in order to achieve that beautiful finishing is this point. So whenever we are working the single crochet into the saree, we'll have to make sure we are working in the right point. So this time I have worked 6 chains and then I'm checking where it reaches and then working a single crochet. If we are working the single crochet in the correct point, then the saree pallu will not wrinkle and this in turn will give you a very neat finishing once the design is complete. So by now I think you guys would be aware of how the baseline is going to continue. It is 4 chains 2 times and then 6 chains followed by 4 chains 2 times. Again 6 chains. So this is how simple the baseline of this particular design is worked. It's a very basic design. Most of you would already know this design, but the reason why I am posting this video is I keep getting messages saying that my arch does not come out well, my pallu is getting wrinkled, finishing is not as neat as yours. So I will just try to clarify all these questions in this video. So if you want a lot of tips and tricks on how to achieve the best finishing, then watch the video till the end. So same way I'm going to continue working the baseline with 6 chains 1 time followed by 4 chains 2 times. Now the reason why I'm working 4 chains 2 times is because this particular design will have kuchu or the silk thread bunch. So that is the reason I am working 4 chains 2 times. So once the baseline is complete, turn the saree. Now here I have made sure it ends with 2 blocks of 4 chains. Now here I've started with 1 single crochet and working 4 chains. Again another single crochet into the next 4 chain block. Now I'm going to start working my double crochets. Pay close attention as to how I'm working my double crochets. So each time I'm making sure the length of the stitch that is on my hook is matching the previous stitch. So this is one trick to get the most neat arch. All the stitches have to be worked in same length. So if you notice, when I pull, it is at the same length of the previous stitch. So this is how we will be working the arch. For the 6 chain block, we can work up to 13 to 14 double crochets. Again, it depends on the chain size. You can work a few stitches plus or minus, that is absolutely fine, but make sure you do not overcrowd the stitches, because in the next step we will be adding small silver beads onto this arch. In case if the double crochet count is more than required, then we will be in trouble while adding the beads in the next line. So keep it simple, keep it around 15 double crochets, and this is how the arch should look. Once the scallop is complete, I've worked 1 single crochet in the next block, 4 chains, again a single crochet in the next block. The reason why we are working 4 chains in this step is to add tassel in that place. So now the arch is done. You can see how neat the arch is looking. So here I'm going to change the color. The saree has 2 colors, so I definitely will want to use the second color while adding the silver beads. Now since the saree has silver zari, I'm just using silver beads. Starting the stitch in the first single crochet, the place where we worked 4 chains, I'm going to work all single crochets. Maybe around 3 to 4 stitches will fill that 4 chain space, and then I will start adding the bead. So these are slightly bigger beads, they are 3 mm size. So I will add one bead, and when I'm working the single crochet, I will skip one stitch, and then I will work one single crochet. Again I'm going to skip one stitch and then work another single crochet. So this is how I will continue adding the beads onto the arch. So the reason why we are skipping is so that the bead has enough space to rest on the arch, and that is the reason I mentioned earlier not to overcrowd the double crochets. In case you overcrowd the double crochets, then the bead will not stay flat. It will kind of look clumsy and not neat. So that is the reason, work not more than 15 to 16 double crochets, so that while adding beads it's very comfortable. About 8 beads is what we will be adding in this step. But in case you are using a smaller size beads, then you can definitely add more. Now after adding beads, again in this 4 chain gap, I'm just going to work all single crochets. So that's how simple it is to work these kind of designs. And trust me guys, these kind of designs go really well with simple sarees, or for middle-aged women who don't like too fancy designs. You can suggest these kind of simple and elegant designs for such ladies. So do let me know if you have any doubts regarding the finishing, and I will try to clarify those doubts in my next video. The key points of what you have to remember while working the arch is, make sure all the double crochets you're working are of same length, and then when you are working a single crochet, that is what will give you the arch shape. You don't have to work different sizes of double crochet to form that arch shape. Keep these few points in mind while you're working these kind of arch designs, and I'm sure you will get the perfect finishing. And in case you want to aim at that proper finishing, you can definitely sign up for my basic crochet kuchu online class. If you want to know more details, please ping me on my WhatsApp number, which is mentioned in the description box, and I will give you the details. The course is right now priced at just $5.99, where you will be learning from basics. You need not know anything. Even though you do not know anything, you don't know what material is required, you don't know which needle and how to do the stitches, I will teach you from the basics, and it is an online course, so you can learn from wherever you are. So that's how simple it is. So let me know if you are interested in that, and also share your thoughts about this design in the comment section. I'll look forward for your messages and comments. That's all in today's video. I shall see you guys soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.